Our brains are incredible. Once we believed they were fixed and unchangeable after childhood. Now we know the truth. Our brains are constantly adapting. Every thought, every action leaves its mark. This remarkable ability is called neuroplasticity. It's the power of the brain to rewire itself throughout our lives. Imagine a garden. Instead of flowers, we have neural pathways. These pathways are like tiny roads connecting different parts of the brain. When we learn something new, a new pathway forms. The more we use it, the stronger it becomes. This means we are not stuck with the brain we were born with. We have the power to change and grow. We can learn new skills, break bad habits, and even overcome challenges we once thought were impossible. Our brains are capable of extraordinary transformation. It's a message of hope and possibility for everyone. Neuroplasticity is a complex process, but the basic idea is simple. When we experience something new, our brains create new connections between neurons. Repetition strengthens these connections, making them more efficient. Think about learning to ride a bike. At first it feels awkward and difficult, but with practice the movements become smoother. This is because our brains are rewiring themselves, creating new neural pathways that control balance and coordination. The same principle applies to everything we learn, from playing a musical instrument to speaking a new language. Even our thoughts and emotions can change our brains. Negative thoughts can strengthen pathways associated with fear and anxiety. But here's the good news. Positive thoughts and experiences have the same power. By focusing on gratitude, kindness, and joy, we can strengthen pathways for happiness and well-being. We can literally rewire our brains for a more positive outlook. The power of neuroplasticity is evident in countless real-life stories. Take, for example, the remarkable case of a woman named Barbara Arrowsmith Young. As a child, she struggled with severe learning disabilities. Doctors told her she would never be able to overcome them. However, Barbara refused to give up. She dedicated her life to understanding her brain and developing exercises to strengthen her weaknesses. Through years of effort, she not only overcame her own challenges, but also developed a program that has helped countless others. Another inspiring example is the case of stroke survivors who regain lost functions. Through intensive rehabilitation and therapy, their brains can rewire themselves, forming new connections to compensate for damaged areas. These stories demonstrate the incredible resilience of the human brain and its capacity for change, even in the face of adversity.